Hello students, I welcome you all for the lecture videos on signals and DSP, the professional core course 21E63. We are solving the problems on module 1. So in this class today we can discuss about problems on energy and power signal. The problem goes like this: determine whether the following signal is an energy signal or power signal. The given function is x of t, which is equal to e power minus 2t into u of t. As a mathematical equation, I am writing the same problem in this manner, but so they will give me an exam like this. Before solving the problem, we should know what is energy signal and what is power signal. I am writing the formula for energy signal. Energy signal is given by E, which is equal to integral of minus infinity to plus infinity mod of x of t whole square into dt. This is the energy signal. Similarly, what is the power signal? Power signal is given by P is equal to limit t tends to infinity, 1 by 2t integral of minus t to plus t integral of minus t to plus t mod of x of t whole square into dt. These are the two formulas for energy and power signal. So now let us consider the first energy signal. So take this formula. So we know that before solving, what is the function given here? U of t. What is u of t? It's a unit step function. So the value of u of t is equal to 1 whenever t greater than or equal to 0. This value is 1. All the values of t which is greater than or equal to 0, the values is 1, otherwise 0. Otherwise the value is 0. For negative it is 0. So therefore, this infinite minus infinity to plus infinity becomes 0 to infinity. So therefore E is equal to integral of 0 to infinity x of t square into dt. Therefore the value of this u of t is 1 for 0 to infinity. So therefore we are taken that as 1. So now I will substitute what is my x of t, e power minus 2t into d of t. So E is equal to integral of 0 to infinity e power minus 2t square into dt. Now what is e power minus 2t square is nothing but integral of 0 to infinity mod of e power minus 4t into dt. Now if you do the integration, what is the integration? Now E is equal to integral of e power minus 4t is e power minus 4t divided by minus 4. What are the limits? 0 and infinity. Limits are 0 and infinity. Limits are 5 ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಡಿ 0 and infinity. So substitute here the limits. So we will get e power infinity is 0. So e power 0 is 1. So 0 minus 1 divided by minus 4. So you will get energy is equal to 1 by 4. In the given signal is energy signal, obviously its power value is 0. The given signal is positive, so its value is 1 by 4. So when the given signal is energy signal, then automatically the power of energy signal is 0. This we have to verify now. Okay, so now I will verify the power signal. Its value is 0 because we should understand already from the fundamentals. Okay, when the value of energy is finite, it's having a finite value, by default its power signal is also 0. So therefore I will write the formula for power signal. What is the power signal formula? P is equal to limit t tends to infinity, P is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral of minus t to plus t mod of x of t square into dt. Okay, so already we know that what is x of t. X of t is e power minus 2t into dt u of t. So u of t value is 1. So automatically, so for all the positive values, the value of u of t is 1. Therefore the summation will be like this: limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral of 0 to t, so e power minus 2t into d of t. Because of the finite value and u of t value is 1, so its value is e power minus 2t into e power minus 2t square. Okay, now simplify the given equation. So what is the answer? Let us see here. So P is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t, so e power minus 4t into dt integral of 0 to t e power minus 4t into dt. Now we can simplify, we'll get limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t, so integral you do that, you will get e power minus 4t by minus 4. Okay, so because of this minus 4 comes outside, so you get minus 8t, limit t tends to infinity 1 by minus 8t. So apply the limits. What are the limits? 0 and t. Apply the limit 0 and t. I'll get it. So P is equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by minus 8t, okay, into e power minus 4t minus 1, 0 and t are the limits. If you apply the limits, you will get e power minus 4t. Okay, put t is to infinity, e power infinity will become 0. So it becomes 1 by infinity. It becomes 1 by infinity e power minus 4t. Okay, this value becomes 1, because t tends to infinity, no, 1 by infinity, so 1 by infinity becomes what? Automatically 0. Okay, by itself will come to know what is power is 0. This is the value of the power for the given signal x of t is equal to e power minus 2t into u of t. You can see here t tends to 1 by 8t. Here you put t is infinity, 1 by infinity value is 0, so no need to do the further simplification. Directly will come to know the given power for the energy given signal is 0. Therefore the given signal is an energy signal, its value is 1 by 4, and it is not a power signal, its value is 0. Thank you. This I will complete my today's class.